Good morning, guys. This is the fourth page in the reading section. So if we look at the picture, we can see with our Play-Doh, we've made something pretty cool here. So what can you see? You see a girl, okay? And she's on top of, it looks like kind of presents and maybe a toy car. Okay, so if you get the Play-Doh and you do it many times and you add different colors, you can make some really cool looking things, okay? So let's have a look at the reading. I say, you say. Let the shapes you made dry if you wish to keep them. You may choose to reuse the dough when you are done. Then store it in the refrigerator in a plastic container to keep it wet. Remember to have fun. Okay, so what this is basically saying, once you made the shapes you want, if you want to keep it as that, what you need to do is let it dry, okay? When it goes dry, the Play-Doh you have made will become hard. You can't eat it, but it will become hard, so you get shapes like this. So you can play around and it looks kind of cool. Okay, so when it goes hard, it'll look like this and it'll stay like this. Now, if you don't want to keep this and you're still playing, you can reuse it. Now, you reuse it means to use again. But to do that, what do you have to do if you want to reuse the dough? Good. You have to keep it in the refrigerator in a plastic container. Why do you have to keep it cold and in a plastic container? Good. You have to keep it wet. If it stays wet, it will stay soft, right? If it's not wet, it becomes dry. When something becomes dry, it normally becomes harder. When it becomes harder, it becomes hard and you cannot reuse it again. This is the reason why it needs to be in the refrigerator and kept wet. Okay, let's read one more time, guys. Let the shapes you made dry if you wish to keep them. You may choose to reuse the dough when you are done. Then store it in the refrigerator in a plastic container to keep it wet. Remember to have fun. Alright guys, I'll see you soon for the next page. Bye bye.